Okay, I wanted to show you this microphone right here because I'm going to tell you I'm impressed. This unboxing is going to be crazy. Everything that you may think about having in a microphone is inside this, and the price is so fantastic. And I'm going to tell you, it's really cool because back in the days, wireless microphones were really expensive, but nowadays, for a little bit over $100, you could get a nice setup. Synco G1A2, which it means that it has two transmitters. So you have one receiver, two transmitter, which it means that you can record two people. You can record a whole conversation. And I'm going to tell you, for the price is crazy. But I'm going to tell you, it comes with every cable that you may want to think about it. You want to use it with a camera, you be there set up. You want to use it with a cell phone, you be set up as well. So I think this microphone is fantastic. I have recorded multiple videos with this setup with my cell phone as well, and it has been a really blessing. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. Here we talk about equipment that is going to help you create better videos. We may talk about strategies as well. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this. This is the Synco G1A2. And the reason why it's called A2 is because you have two microphones, essentially two transmitters that you could give it to two people, so you could record two people at the same time. There's another version that has only one, and that's just essentially individually. Now, the reason why I decided to go this route and go to a wireless microphone is because I got this mobile microphone right here, which is great. I love it. But a lot of times, or actually all the time, you have to have this pointing towards you. So if you're facing away from the camera, I set on my cell phone here. Again, it's not going to get the best audio. Now, that's not the issue that you're going to have with the wireless, because as long as you are in that line of sight, you're going to be able to essentially get good audio. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to show it to you. This is the Synco A2, like I said. Really good reviews as far as I know, as far as I seen. And there's a couple things that I like so far. First of all, it comes with a case, and that is just fantastic. How many times we buy something that we actually need a case later on and it's an expense, right? So I really don't like that. So this is what you got. And actually the case feels really decent, feels like really nice. A little branding right here on the zipper, which is actually a very good detail. And again, it just feels good. Like it feels like you could put it in your traveling kit and you won't have any issues. So let's open it up. Really haven't messed with this too much. So this is what you got right here. So essentially you have one system that is going to go into your phone or essentially your camera or something like that. And then you're going to have two more that is going to go to the individuals. Obviously, you don't have to record two people. If you're just recording one, you could keep the other one really nice and protected in the case. All right, so we're going to take everything out just to see. I'm telling you, I'm liking this case a lot. You have like little spots right there where you're going to be able to set them up, and it feels really good protected there. Okay, so let's take a quick look right here, kind of like a closer look, so you guys can see, and you guys can see the difference. Look how small this is. Literally disappears on my hand, right? So this is kind of what you got right there. Let's remove this. And again, they look really good. And for the price that you get, this is fantastic. I mean, I'm telling you, I've been around cameras for quite some time, and the price that you get these things is so good. I was actually in shock when I saw the price. Again, you got your click right here, and again, that click could either be clicked to obviously your clothes, but can also be clicked to like a cold shoe or something like that on a camera. So that's actually a microphone. You know that because if you see right there, it does have a microphone. So essentially you could use this as just your basic microphone. You click it and that's about it. Or you could actually connect, and is right here, a lavalier, which is included. And again, you could run it that way. Either way, it's going to be okay. I'm not really sure if there's a difference in audio if you do it that way or not. Obviously, you have a USB-C right there, which is going to be a charging way. And now we have this right here, which obviously this is what you're going to put on your camera. A couple things that I like, obviously, just from the beginning, is the size. It's incredible small, right? So again, really good. You could actually monitor your audio right there. You see it right there. So you could put some headphones and monitor your audio, which is amazing. Usually a lot of cameras don't give you that ability, and a lot of microphones don't give you that ability. So just knowing that I have it on this small kit is so fantastic. Again, you have your charging port right there, and again, you have a lot of other stuff. You could add up some decibels to your audio. You could do a lot of other stuff into here. So here you have it. I mean, you could record two people's audio with this little three things. To me, that is just amazing. Okay, so I use this mobile PR1, I believe it's called. Can't remember right now, but essentially you could put yourself on there and it gives you like a stable platform, right? And I just want to use this just to try. You stick it in there and it stays right there. That is just definitely really nice. So here it is with the system right here and the microphone transmitter or receiver in the front or in the top right there. I mean, really, really nice. Let me tighten this up a little bit better. But again, very, very nice. Just a very nice system that you could use just like this. And again, you have really good audio coming towards you. Obviously, you will click this and you'll close. Man, I really dig in this system right here. Really, really do. A lot of guys record with phones, which is fantastic, but usually the quality is fantastic. But again, usually what is lacking is the audio, and having the ability to put an audio piece right here to me is really, really beneficial. Okay, so I want to open this up and see what else it comes in here, because again, there's a lot of stuff. Again, the case is fantastic. You're going to be able to put all those cables back in there. So let's see what we got in here. Again, a lot of times you buy those microphones and then sometimes you got to buy extra stuff and it's really annoying. It's just nice to have everything right here. Okay, we actually have so much stuff that I don't want to lose it. But here's what we got so far. We have this little dead cat, and essentially this is going to go on the transmitter. Now I want you guys to see that right there, because if you see that little thing, it actually clips on into the transmitter. Let's do it now. And this is kind of what you got right here. I know it looks a little bit funny, but I'll tell you what, these things are fantastic and it takes a lot of that wind noise out of the way. I do highly recommend using this. And again, it's something that I do use a lot, right? Obviously, if you have your regular lavalier, which I got them right here, you won't have to. But again, that's just something that you can use. So you got one of this, obviously, or two of those. You have the lavalier microphone covers. Again, you know, kind of deals with that wind and stuff like that. You have the little clicks. And again, these clips are great because once again, you attach it to the cable, or you attach the microphone, this little microphone, to this right here. And then you clip this to your clothes. And again, you could put it in places where it's really nice out of the way. Obviously, you got two of those. You got two lavaliers right here. This is fantastic, guys. This kit comes with everything. Like literally, you are ready to record two people, and that's such a fantastic system. Again, if the audio quality is great, this is hard to beat right there. So you have that. You have a couple cables right here, and I'm really particular about these cables because if you see, this one in particular is probably going to be to your regular camera. So if you have a regular camera, you will be using this cable. But if you have an iPhone or something like that, you're going to have to use this cable, which is TRS to TRRS. And if you notice, this one right here has 3 sleeves versus 2. Again, that one is for the microphone. If you don't have this cable, you won't be able to run your phone as, you know, a tool to record audio and video. So again, this is particular super important, and it's something that you really need. It's nice that they give it to you from the beginning. And obviously you have your charger, and what I like about this charger, which is actually pretty fantastic, is that as you open it up, you have the USB portion right here, but then you have three USB-C. So obviously you could charge all of them at the same time. All right, so I'm going to tell you, I'm really impressed with this. The amount of stuff that you get here is amazing, and I've seen multiple videos, and every sample audio that I have listened to it is really okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst neither. It's good audio. So again, for the amount of money you pay for this is just fantastic. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the unboxing. Stand by, because I'm going to be releasing all the videos that is going to involve this microphone, because I'm going to tell you, it is a really, really good deal for the money. And I'm going to tell you, the quality of the audio is pretty fantastic. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We definitely see you in the next one.